how to find old Facebook post. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can find old Facebook post. So first open your Facebook app and then on the top right corner or bottom right corner click on menu icon. After that click on your profile. Now scroll down and then here you will see manage post. Just click on that. Now on the top left corner you will see filter option. Just click on that. Now you can filter by date or by person, or you can filter by privacy and tag. So I am going to filter by date. So let's click on the date. After select the date and then click on OK. Now on the bottom click on done and here you will find your old post, and there you go, and that's how you can find your old post on Facebook. Hope that this video helped you found. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.